Grapes, one of summer's juiciest and healthiest fruits. But did you know that if stored properly, you can enjoy their sweetness all the way until late autumn? Today, I'll share with you the most effective ways to keep grapes fresh and delicious for months. First and foremost, proper picking and sorting. Always harvest grapes early in the morning when the air is cool and the sun isn't strong. Fruits that get too warm in the sun spoil much faster. After picking, carefully check each bunch. Remove any crushed, cracked, or moldy berries right away. Next up, prepare the right storage environment. The best place to store grapes is a cool, dark, and well-ventilated room. The ideal temperature is between 34 degrees Fahrenheit and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1 to 5 degrees Celsius, with humidity around 80 to 90%. In these conditions, grapes keep their natural moisture and stay fresh for a long time. Now let's talk about storage methods. 1. On-vine storage. If frost hasn't hit your vineyard yet, don't cut the entire vine. Just tie it gently and cover it with a canopy or plastic film. Grapes can stay fresh naturally on the vine for weeks. 2. Hanging storage. Cut the grape clusters with the stems attached and hang them from a wire or rope. This allows air circulation and prevents rot. 3. Dry sand method. Fill wooden boxes with clean, dry sand. Place the grape bunches inside, covering them lightly with sand. This method keeps grapes fresh for up to 2 to 3 months. 4. Refrigerator method. At home, wrap each bunch in paper and place it in a plastic container on the lower shelf of your fridge. Just make sure there's enough space for air to circulate. And one crucial tip, don't wash the grapes before storing them. Washing removes their natural protective layer, causing them to spoil quickly. Only wash right before using. So, with a little care and the right conditions, you can preserve the natural taste and aroma of grapes all the way through winter. Grapes are more than just a fruit. They're a symbol of patience, care, and nature's sweetness.